Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to share your internet using Bluetooth. Well, as you can see, I am right now connected to a Wi-Fi connection, and I'm going to share the internet which I get from my Wi-Fi via Bluetooth. It's going to be one of the same ways with which we could share our internet using uh, hotspot. Well, Bluetooth sharing is more or less going to be similar to the mobile hotspot sharing, but the only, uh, let's say, the only problem is that the internet which you share is going to be a bit slower than which you share via hotspot. Well, but still, if you are here, then it just means that you are now forced to somehow share internet via Bluetooth. But not worry. In this video, I'll show you everything, the step-by-step method to share internet via Bluetooth. First of all, navigate to settings. I'm using an Android device. More specifically, I'm using a Samsung device, but the settings page is going to be more or less similar to everyone. I hope it's similar to you. Navigate to the connections. When I get to the connections, you'll be prompted with this page. Once you're into this page, all you have to do is that go click on the mobile hotspot and tethering. If it's hard for you, then you could just search for mobile hotspot. Just searching it will lead you to this setting. Just click on this mobile hotspot and tethering. You would be navigated to this page, and then here just click on this. Once you click this, you would find four options: mobile hotspot, Bluetooth tethering, USB tethering, and Ethernet tethering. Well, what each and every one of this option means is that mobile hotspot refers to the normal hotspot way which way you share your internet. Bluetooth sharing refers to sharing your phone's internet connection using Bluetooth. USB tethering and Ethernet tethering is right now disabled for me because I do not have an USB or Ethernet device connected with me. So what the USB tethering refers is that you share your internet via a USB cable, and Ethernet refers to sharing your internet via an Ethernet cable. Here, first of all, if you turned off, if you do not have Bluetooth turned on, just go turn on the Bluetooth. Once you have turned on Bluetooth, just navigate back to the setting and turn on this Bluetooth tethering. Now you are ready to share this phone's internet connection. All you have to do is that navigate to the Bluetooth settings, and here just find your Bluetooth device and connect two devices. And once you have connected, as you can see, there are a lot of devices available to me. Just connect a phone with another phone or the device which you would have to share internet with. Once connected, that's it. Our internet is going to be shared from this device to that. Guys, I hope today's video was helpful to you. It was helpful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And I have something very much important to share to you guys. The thing is that as of 2024, our channel is getting a huge update. A huge update, I mean, our channel is getting monetized. So now you will be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button and the subscribe button. And after performing that, please go take a look at the perks which are provided by becoming a member of a community. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks which are being provided. You would get member only exclusive perks such as member only exclusive videos, one-on-one interaction with me via social media, and much more. So guys, it's once again Surya Prakash here from Protech Genius signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.